In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Wix banner. Whether you're building a new website or updating an existing one, having a well-designed banner can make all the difference in creating a professional, engaging first impression for your visitors. A banner is often the first thing people see when they land on your site, so making it visually appealing and perfectly aligned with your website's theme is key. Don't worry if you're new to Wix or web design in general. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process, ensuring your banner is eye-catching and fits seamlessly with your site. Let's get started. First, you'll need to log into the Wix website editor. Use your account credentials to sign in and select the website you'd like to work on. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the Wix dashboard. From here, navigate to the editor interface. This is where you'll be able to customize and design your website. Now focus on the header area of your site. The header is the section located at the very top of your website, and this is where we'll be placing the banner. Take a moment to locate the header within the editor and adjust its size and alignment. This is important because your banner needs to fit perfectly within the header space so it looks clean and professional. Resize the header as needed until you're happy with the dimensions. Next, look at the left-hand toolbar in the Wix editor. You'll see a variety of design tools here. Click the plus icon, which is used to add new elements to your website. When the menu of elements appears, select the option labeled Image. This is where you'll begin adding visuals to your banner. Now you'll have two options for choosing an image. You can either upload your own image from your computer or select one from the free image library that Wix provides. If you're using your own image, click the upload option and find the file on your device. Once the upload is complete, the image will be available for use in your Wix editor. If you'd prefer to use a free image, browse through the Wix library, which has a wide selection of professional, high-quality pictures. Take your time to pick an image that fits the theme of your website. Once you've chosen your image, it's time to add it to the banner space. Simply drag and drop the image onto the header area where you want your banner to appear. With the image in place, you'll need to adjust it so it fits perfectly within the header. Use the resize handles around the image to make it smaller or larger, and drag it into position so it's centered and aligned exactly how you want it. To ensure your banner blends seamlessly with the rest of your website, take a moment to adjust the image settings. You can fine-tune details such as brightness, contrast, and saturation to match your site's overall look and feel. Wix also allows you to add filters or overlays to your image, which can help create a cohesive design. Small adjustments can make a big difference, so don't rush this step. And that's it. You've successfully created a Wix banner with your image perfectly positioned and aligned. Your website now has a visually striking feature that will grab visitors' attention right away. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.